Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can sign up on ChatGPT without having an actual phone number. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. Currently, as you can see, I'm on the login screen of ChatGPT, and from here I'm going to be clicking on sign up. Now once you click on sign up, you'll be able to see that we are directed towards its login section, and in here we need to enter our email address. So once you enter your email address, click on continue, and now it will be asking you to confirm your email address, and now you need to enter your phone number. So for that particular reason, you need to head over to the website called temp numbers, and in here you can see you have multiple countries to select from. We are going to be choosing United States, and after that you can see we have multiple options to choose from, and it is also telling us that when this number was added. So this one was added 11 hours ago, so we are going to be click on that, and you can see a complete dashboard just opened up in front of us. Simply copy this number and head back to your ChatGPT login section and paste your number in here. Click on send code and wait for a couple of seconds, and that's it. And once you do that, you'll be able to see that you are now signed up into ChatGPT and you can just start using it. So that's pretty much it. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.